Hello guys, Antonio Borrell once again with you. Alright out there, everybody okay? I hope so. So, in this video, I'm bringing you one more example about product modeling and how my modeling work can help you in the development of your project and also in manufacturing or printing in 3D for prototyping. As an example, we have this thermal mug that was modeled according to the real measurements of the product. And as you can see, it has all the smallest details regarding the project. See the detail of this lid, for example, and from inside of the mug. After the modeling is done, what do? I render the project so you can see what it will look like once we have the materials applied to the surfaces. As you can see, I applied plastic material to the handle, to the lid part, to the basic, and metallic material on the body of the rest of the mug. I also created an exploded view of the mug so that all of its components can be viewed in detail. As the modeling was done following the technical drawing specifications, it's easy for you to view all these details. I'll be bringing later one video talking about this subject of technical documentation, as all of my projects are delivered to the clients with the appropriate technical documentation with all relevant project information. Stay tuned and now on the channel so you can watch this video. So guys, this is the result of the rendering of both views. Take a look. The rendering quality is very good, so all the details can be seen. Okay guys, this is the proposal to be able to helping you in making your project. I'm waiting for you to make contact, okay? All my contacts are in the description of this video. If you like this video, click it to like, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to receive notifications of future videos. Take good care of yourselves guys, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.